What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you guys. Today is another Jordan tries to become a professional track day driver, a professional race car driver, I'm going to the track and I'm trying to beat my gosh dang best time, which is like 37.826, I think. So if you've never seen one of these videos, I go to a local track out here in Austin. It's called the Driveway, and it's a pretty short track, but they have these open track days where you can just come and do it for like half an hour, and it's like 35 bucks. So every chance I get, I run out there and try to beat my best time, which, like I said, is right around the high 37s. Today is another one of the days that they are having the open track day, and I'm gonna head out there. I think I have about an hour and a half, so I'll probably get 2 sessions in. And I mean, the only goal today, boys, is beat that 37. Hopefully get like 37 and a half, somewhere around there. That's it. So let's get out there. I'm gonna try and smash this thing. Made it out here to the driveway. There's actually no one out here, so hopefully I can have the track to myself again like I always do. But everything's looking good. The only thing that kind of sucks is apparently someone blew a line out on one of the longer tracks, L2, so there's some oil out there. But I'm gonna get things mounted up here because I hate to take up too much of their time. So I'm gonna get things mounted up, get things ready, and then when they're ready for me, I'll be able to head out there. All right, boys. Let's do this. All right, that's gonna do it for me, boys. All right, boys. That's gonna wrap up this one. I think I was scrolling through the track app, and I think I may have got the lap time beat. I think so. You know, we were battling a lot of traffic, so the beginning was a little weird. That 488 Pista was out there, and the guy was, I mean, that car in general was just absolutely flying. But, you know, the rest of the guys were good drivers. I've been out with most of them. I was almost catching that GT3. I was, and then he ended up getting off track. But, oh, he's behind me now, too. I better speed up. But, it was an awesome day out there. I worked up a sweat. Had a great time as always. I mean, you can't beat that for 35 bucks. What else are you gonna do for 35 bucks? So anyway, if you're new to the channel, guys, I plan on doing a lot more stuff like this. I got a lot more parts on order to keep building this car and keep making it better. If you like E36 M3 stuff or just car stuff, smash the subscribe, bros. I will see you on the next video. Peace.